the same channel. I'm just telling the story a little differently.
I'm gonna hang up 3,500 lights today. Let's see how it looks.
Don't ask me why I'm doing this. I love lights. I think most of us do. A lot of people are just drawn to positive energy, even when they're feeling down. I learned this tool in therapy called light visualization, where you just kind of envision yourself being enveloped by light. It's supposed to calm you and make you feel safe and warm and all that.
Jeez.
I tried it once on accident when I was feeling hopeless. My mind just kind of wandered, searching for any thought at all that would feel comforting.
Ow.
And it landed on the thought of light. When I envisioned myself just sitting near this back door, soaking in the warm, glowy afternoon light, I remember feeling more in control of myself again. I felt the weight of my own body and the groundedness of being alive. Mental health exercises like that always remind me of the divine. I remember so many biblical references about how God has been associated with light. And it's no wonder, because they share a lot of attributes. Light is warm, God is warm. Light gives life, God gives life. Light is powerful, God is powerful. You can almost substitute the word light with the word God. But I know God isn't light. Light is a part of His creation. He's outside of that. It's just nice to see His beauty reflected in the things that He creates. Especially living things like you and me and Ollie.
Oh, it's so cute! I guess you can't really see it during the daytime. Oh, but it's so beautiful.
I love creating things too, but I'm always getting hurt. For every perfect shot you see, just assume there's a few deleted scenes of me getting injured. But I love what I create. And I imagine that's how God must feel about us.
Wow, that crunch. Ooh! Is it good? Can I try it? I like the peanuts. Are you sad because I'm eating yours?